Hi friends, it's the next day. I had filmed an intro, but for whatever reason, it just had no sound to it. So that was very weird. But yeah, so this video, it's a little bit of a shorter one because I just focused on one room in this video. It is my living room. Also, I'm giving y'all an update on my state of mind. I've been seeing a new therapist, which has really been helping frame my mind better. I've learned a lot about myself, and I'm learning how to ask for the help that I need and for the things that I need, and also setting more boundaries, which is really helpful for me because I am a chronic people pleaser, I guess you could say. So I will just go along with what anyone says because I just want to please everyone but myself, which my first week of homework that my therapist gave me was self-care, which was like, how do I? Huh? Like I said, I please everyone and I do everything for everyone but myself. So my first week of self-care, I did a lot in my garden. I would go out by myself and I would like have a lot of time to myself in my garden, and my garden's flourishing, which I started my garden when I had my first like mental breakdown, I should say. And now all the flowers are growing. So it's kind of like this metaphor in my mind that like I'm blooming, I guess. That is the most cliche thing I think I've ever said. Anyway, so yeah, we'll get to cleaning, but I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Hi Luna. Hi. 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 So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on how I'm getting better. It's not an overnight change. It's been about a month, like I said in the video. But I really needed a break from just life in general, meaning work. And I actually got a new job, so it should be interesting and I'm really excited. So yeah. I hope that y'all enjoy this video. I hope that y'all get some things done along with this video, or y'all just watch the video. Whatever y'all do. So yeah. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Kayla. Like I said in my intro, am going to be focusing on my living room in today's video. It is a living room deep clean. So yeah, a little update with my life. My first video that I ever really posted of me cleaning, I talked a lot about my postpartum depression and how that's really been affecting me. And I mean, it's not an overnight change, but it's been probably close to a month of me just being home from work and figuring out myself. So yeah, but I start a new job on Monday and I'm really excited. So let's just get to cleaning. I'm just taking everything off the couch and hanging it on my little, it's a TV tray, but I put my blankets on the TV tray. So yeah, I'm just picking up everything that's all over the ground and putting it away. Bye, Brian. I found this new Clorox. I'm not sure how much I like it, but I used it here to clean. I feel like my Mr. Clean or that other Clorox that I used kind of did a better job cleaning, but it does smell very good. So maybe if I'm just trying to do like a little quick clean, I'll use that instead. But so I'm just dusting off all the glass panels. Sorry, it keeps unfocusing here, but yeah, I'm just cleaning all the glass panels, taking everything off of it, and there was like something stuck on here. I don't know what it was, but yeah, So that's all I'm doing, is taking everything off and cleaning it. So I will let y'all just chill and listen to some music while I do that.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause
I don't know if y'all noticed in the beginning, but I had already cleaned this area, but my daughter woke up and we had some playtime. And I just keep a bucket of the stuff she plays with the most, so that it's just easy to throw it in there, and then when she comes back out from her naps, she can just pull that out and it's all ready to go, and I'm just picking up whatever's laying around. I did actually vacuum this rug after that last clip, but it didn't record, and that's how my vacuum scoops up the cord. I love it. So this next few clips is me trying a TikTok trend where you put a Tide Pod in boiling water, and then you wrap a towel around a pot cover, and you dip the pot cover in the hot water, and then you go to your couch and you use that to clean. That is me trying to be safe and not get boiling water everywhere. But yeah, so you like mix the Tide Pod in there and you put the towel around it. I put like a ponytail to keep it on there. And yeah, you just kind of like, I don't want to say scrub, but like rub your couch with that towel and stuff to clean it. So, yeah.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. and calling. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going.
So after I'm finished this, I will show y'all the water. It was dirty. So yeah, I just dumped the water in the toilet and flushed it down the toilet. So yeah. So now I turn the camera around. Here is the other side of the living room. I'm just trying to clear off this chair here by just folding the clothes, and then I'll go put them away once I'm finished.
Back a year ago.
First things first, what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning up the area, putting the blankets in the laundry room. But I am moving her toys from her playmat so that I can hit it with the Clorox to disinfect the area. She doesn't really play there, so I'm just trying to clean it off because there was a lot of dog hair and dust that have accumulated there and on her toys, which I'll clean her toys too. So, I'm just taking everything off, and then I'll hit it with the Clorox and sweep and all that so that it's a little bit cleaner.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the chick made the bread.
Now that all her toys are cleaned off, I'm going to just put them back on the mat. Like I said, she doesn't really clean? She doesn't really play. She doesn't clean at all, but she doesn't really play on the mat. She usually plays on the carpet in the middle of the living room. So I'm just putting everything back there. So now I'm just putting the cord back in the vacuum, which I showed y'all that video earlier, how my vacuum rolls up the cord, which is pretty cool. I like that because my dog likes to chew. So because my last vacuum, she liked to chew when we left. So bad girl. Anyway, I'm just gonna be taking all this and putting it back in our room. So yeah, I'll be right back. These next few clips is me sweeping under the TV, around the TV, and then by the back door. There is a lot of dog hair because my dog could shed for 3 dogs, I feel like. But that's just the life with a golden retriever. So yeah, there's a lot of dog hair that I'm just picking up and cleaning up. Also just under her toys, sometimes the dog hair accumulates on the toys that she really doesn't like to play with, even though I wanted her to love that Nemo bouncer, but she never did. So yeah, this is it. Like, I just finished sweeping, and that's it for the living room clean with me this day. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. It was just a living room clean with me. So stay tuned. I'm thinking about doing like a weekend clean with me, what I do every evenings during the weekend, and how I reset my house. I know I posted a Sunday reset, but I think I'm gonna do like a full weekend, like what my weekends look like with my cleaning schedule. Also, I may just do like a weekend in my life. So, we shall see.